Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Kaksha. So guys, today we are going to start the new video series over the Apache Spark. So we are going to install the PySpark in our Windows 10 and we'll look how to install that, what are the prerequisites to install the PySpark in our local machine. So after installing this, we are going to start a fresh video series over the PySpark. And PySpark basically used to clean the data, means it is a big data tool. Apache Spark is the big data tool where we used to clean our data. So let's dive into the installation part, how we will install. So before installing the Apache Spark, we should have our two software installed, that is JDK and PySpark. So basically PySpark is the combination of a Spark and Python language. So we will see this architecture and all those things in our coming videos. So before going deep dive into the PySpark, let's go for the installation. So first we have to download the JDK. So what I have downloaded the Java JDK. So for downloading the Java JDK, what you have to do, you have to basically go into the Oracle sites and you have to download from there. So I did that, I have downloaded that. So let's first install the Java and we will see what are the process. So just you have to give basically you have to follow the instruction whichever you are getting over the installation window. So just once you will double click over this downloaded things, you will pop up the window installer. You have to just simply click next and you will ask to the where you want to install the your Java. So you will get a location. So basically just follow that thing, because whenever you will set path, it will be the default, or you will get the things easier if it will done by the default. So just wait for the Java to install completely, then we will install the Python. So and we will check also through the command let's access API. So you can click over the next and you can see that also how you can access those basically this is the documents by the Java. So this will give you how to use this all. So this is a basically JDK document. After installing the Java, let's install Python. So we will install Python as well. So it will ask what are the things including IDP document, install now, or you can want customize installation. So I want just what are the things you want to install, documentation and all these things they will ask, PyLauncher and all those things. So let's install those all things. So I have asked this, we will just go to the CMD and we will check that our Python got installed or not. So we will just type Python version and we will get we are not getting, so we will set that as well. And we will also check Java version. So Java has been installed. So Python. So for that, what we have to do, we have to write environment variable. So we will get the edit system environment variable. So we will go into the environment variables. So users, we will just create users, then we will get Python home. Okay, so we will give here Python underscore home and we will browse to two things, Java and PySpark. So now we will have to set up the environment variable. So first we will set up the environment variables for the users. So set up for the Python home. So first we will type Python and home and we will set up these things, Python home, and we will browse the file, or we can give the value. So if we'll browse this, browse the file, or this in this one. So we got into this, after this giving this, we can select OK over here. Exactly same thing we have to do for the Java home. So we will set up this Java home, and after setting this Java home, same thing we have to do the browse the directory, and we have to go over here Python this C drive, and I have to choose like program files, and from the program file we have installed this Java, right? So let's go to Java, and we have to select this thing Java over here, and just we have to give OK, and like this got set up. Now after like installing this both two, we have to set up the PySpark folder. So like first let's give OK, and like it has been also done. Let's extract this file. So just like we have to extract this one. So after like installing all those thing, we have to do the setup of the environment variable. So what we have to do, we have to come into the system environment variable in user, right? User environment variable. What we have to set up, we have to set up Hadoop home, Java home, and we have to give the folders value like Hadoop, Java home. Then we have to give the Python home, Spark home, these all things. So if you look over here, right, so in C we have created this Spark and Hadoop two folder, and inside the Spark we have we have extracted this Spark Hadoop download, and we have put this, copy this folder over there. And then we have to download one for the Hadoop, we have to download the WinUtil. So like this is the GitHub link, GitHub repo link. So whatever like Hadoop, right, suppose for me I have installed Hadoop 3, so I have downloaded this Hadoop 3 WinUtil file, and we have kept over the Hadoop folder. So after doing this, what we have to do, we have to open the command prompt, and we have to type pip install PySpark. So it will start installing the PySpark. So you should have to connect through the internet. So like once you will connect to the internet, it will start installing after firing the command pip. So let's exit Python version. So we have Python version over here. Now let's check Java version. So we have Java version. So now let's try to use the let's open the Python. Okay, so what we will do, we will open this Python ideally, and we will try to execute one of the like PySpark. We will open the CMD, and we first like after checking all these installation, we will type a Spark shell. So what it will do, it will open the Spark shell and give us the local local address of the Spark. So it will take few minutes, and like it will start the Spark over here. So what we can do, we can check in web UI as well. So our Scala has been started. Now we will check that Spark into the web UI. So this is the web UI, how it's look and all. So over here it will show how many jobs are executed, like all the jobs with like it will show the uptime and all those things. So and this one is the stages, how many stages of the all jobs are in. Then this one will give us the storage information, and it will give us the environment information, all the environment and all these things. Again, then we can go into the executor, and we set up the executor, how many executor we required according to how many active RDD block, storage memory, disk utilization, all these things we can monitor from here. So like see, if you also look into the driver, right, there is one driver which is active, and like memory uses is not, means we are not using anything. So these all are things we can check from the Spark UI. So in next video we will try to run one of our job. So like let's